I'm gonna make the blush for the doll in the cheek and a little bit in the nose. For blushing, here is my tool here and the color here. At first I'm gonna use this color a little bit. And then blushes into this area, just slightly a little bit. Same to the other side. Make sure to make it like a circle like this, and then I'm gonna mix a little bit of the orange, this orange. Plus it here. Take orange. Plus it here a little bit. One more time, I want to use this one and I mix with this light pink. It's totally based on you, like which color that you would like to apply on your doll. Let's take the pink, applying to this area. And I would love to have a little bit more pink in here, so I take pink here and I blush it here. Pink. You know what? I think I picked a little bit too much into the doll face, but no worry. Just in case you put too much color into the cheek, you can use the white one, which is this color. You take this color out, and then you're gonna apply it into the area that you think you put too much color on. Okay, let's see. So it's pink, white here. Apply it here. Here. I would put a little bit of the orange here, and I put it a little bit in here. And well, I will also apply the orange here to put a little bit color into the nose. And a little bit of the pink here into the nose. That it. So that's how I complete blushing my doll face.